Hello everyone, it's Trimble46 here today. Guess what? I got 4 new customs. And look who they are. I have Salty, Lexi, Emily, and Harvey. I'm going to start with Salty. Okay, so here he is. I did some customizing on his wheels. See that black dot? Yeah, I customized his wheels. And I did the hand railing with a Sharpie marker. It was actually silver. And I did the lamp. It's kind of bad. It's not going to focus properly. And I did the chimney right here. And the handrails. And also the other side. Yeah, I think that's it. Now, Lexi. Alright, Lexi, I painted a black dot on her lamp with a Sharpie marker. And I did the windows with a golden Sharpie marker. And the funnel. And the ladder. And I painted her buffers black. Yep, and that's it. Next custom. Alright, now Emily. I didn't have any white paint to color in her lamp, but I used a Sharpie marker, but gold, to do the rim of her funnel and her dome. And I got a Sharpie marker, which was silver, and gave her silver buffers like in the show. Front and back, actually. Yep, and there's Emily. Last but not least, Harvey. Crane engine. I painted his lamp silver because I didn't have any white paint. And I did his front coupling black, and his funnel gold. I repainted it because it wasn't good enough. And here I thought it would be good if I drew a black hole into his funnel. And here I painted the whistle gold, and also the arm with the gears. And I did this. I gave him a silver lamp and windows. And yeah, I think that's it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, just give me a thumbs up, or leave a comment. So yeah, this is Trimble46 Productions signing off. Bye everyone.